Hey everyone, have you ever dreamed of turning your face into a powerful AI model that creates amazing artwork and viral thumbnails that explode online? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step with Flux LoRa using Replicate. From setting up the training to generating stunning, personalized images, I've got you covered. So let's start. To train our Flux LoRa model using our own face, we'll use a site called replicate.com. Note that this site isn't free. You're essentially renting GPUs from them to perform the processing. Using an NVIDIA A100 GPU, which we'll use for this training, costs about 1/10 of a penny per second, or roughly $5 per hour. In their profile, scroll down to locate the Luca Taco AI toolkit. This toolkit is used for Flux LoRa training. At the time of recording, it's the fourth item down the page. Click on it and you'll see a page with several tabs. Select the Train tab to configure the training process. The default settings are mostly fine, so we won't change much. For the destination, select Create a new model and give it a name. For this example, let's call it Flux LoRa. You'll also need a zip file containing the images for training. These images must be properly named to include captions that will act as trigger words. For example, a file name might be a photo of Flux 01.jpg with underscores separating each word. I recommend at least 12 images for training, though I've prepared 20 for this example. Once your images are ready, compress them into a zip file. Upload this file to the images file field in the form. Next, generate a Hugging Face token by signing up at huggingface.co if you haven't already. Go to your profile, select Settings then Access Tokens and create a new token with permissions. Name the token something like Flux LoRa Replicated and copy it. Return to the Replicate page and paste your Hugging Face token into the designated field. For number of steps, set it to 1000. Leave other settings such as learning rate, batch size, and resolution at their defaults. Under Repo ID, input the format, your Hugging Face username, your model name, e.g. your username Flux LoRa. Now create the corresponding model repository on Hugging Face, ensuring it matches the name exactly. Set it as private or public as needed. Once everything is configured, start training by clicking Create Training. In my case, the training cost roughly $2.58. Once training is complete, you can find the trained files in your Hugging Face repository. Copy the repo ID. We'll use it later to generate images. To test the model, return to Luca Taco's profile and select the Flux Dev LoRa tool. Set parameters like aspect ratio, number of outputs, and output format, e.g. JPEG. Paste the repo ID under HF LoRa. In the prompt field, type something simple such as Flux as a king of AI on throne looking straight into the camera. Run the model and it should generate an image based on your trained likeness. If you encounter an error related to model visibility, check your Hugging Face repository settings. If it's private, make it public so Replicate can access it. After resolving issues, the model should run correctly, generating an image based on your prompt. For instance, here's an output of Flux as a king of AI. Now you're all set to train and use your personalized LoRa model. Experiment with different prompts and enjoy the creative possibilities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.